Hey everybody, this is Robot here from Vespa Motorsport, the premier dealership for Vespa scooters here in San Diego, California. If you're curious about our inventory of new and used scooters, see what we have, check us out on the web, vespamotorsport.com. And of course, if you already have a Vespa and you're looking for spare parts or accessories, we got you covered there, scooterwest.com. So here I have a first year Sprint, and it's a little special. It belongs to the owner of Vespa Motorsport and scooterwest.com, Alex. He had it in his collection and he decided it was time to thin out the collection. And I asked him, why do you want to thin out your collection? You have such a wonderful collection of mostly vintage Vespas and a couple modern Vespas as well. There's a real early ET4 that he's had and some other daily riders that he has in his collection. And he said, well, guess what? We're sold out of used scooters. In the midst of a pandemic, riots, and everything else that's going on, as of mid-2020, we've completely sold out of used scooters. And the new scooters are selling well as well, which is a good thing for us. I was kind of worried. I don't know, there's a little bit uncertainty in the future, but no need to dawn on the future at this point. I want to talk about this cool scooter and share it with everybody. So first of all, this was going to be a video about this bike, kind of promoting it as it's for sale, but it pretty much got dropped off by Alex here, and then we had a customer that was been looking for a used Sprint or Primavera, and it's come in several times, and he thought, oh, I really want that scooter. The next day it's sold, and it happened 2 times on him. So we told him this one's coming in. He's not going to miss a third time of getting a really nice, clean example of a used scooter. So the cool thing about this Sprint, the first year Sprint for North America was 2015. This was serial number 2 for the United States of America. It was manufactured in 2014, so as of 2020, it's over 6 years old right now. So it's one of the oldest and most original modern Vespa Sprints here in North America, and of course it's got a new owner, so it's no longer for sale. Let's put the sold tag on it, and that will go back out into the lineup. But I kind of want to go over why this scooter was pretty significant. I've done plenty of reviews of this scooter and why I like this scooter. This is a scooter I based my Robots Vespa on. If you want to look at the prior videos, there's a whole series on me putting together my own Sprint that started out as a 2015 or 16 Sprint. The Sprint doesn't get as much love as the Primavera. Everybody loves the classic round headlight. The Sprint was always meant to be the sportier scooter. Always had the 12-inch tires. The unique thing about Alex's Sprint is when he got it, it came with the accessory black and silver wheels. Originally they just came with all silver wheels. I don't know if they installed those at the factory or somebody in the Piaggio group just happened to put them on. But when we got the scooter brand new, it came with these wheels, and normally they don't come with the 2-tone wheels. Those are sold as an accessory. You could still get these wheels for both the front and rear. Definitely give it a sportier look with the 2-tone. So the scooter has been outfitted with some fun accessories as well. I've covered every single accessory on the scooter in a prior video, including installations. Went for a mid-size windscreen from Faco. It's got a slight smoke finish to it. Still fairly sporty looking, but keeps the wind off you. Pod turn signals have been removed on that. I'm sorry we don't have the kits in stock as of June 2020, but we'll have them soon. So you got the European style turn signals. Moving on to the rear, it has the very popular Akrapovic exhaust system. And moving on to the back, it's been converted to the complete European standard turn signals, which was the MI200 PR DLX Deluxe kit that includes the original European turn signals. So it's got the clear lenses with the amber bulbs, and the taillight's been converted completely to a taillight and brake light. And one added bonus that I've covered in a past video is the fender's been trimmed. It's missing the reflectors. It's been shortened a little bit to give it a much sportier look. And the best well-hidden secret of this scooter is it has the full Malossi 183cc cylinder kit on it. Definitely hops the scooter up. This is one of the early ones that we've installed one of these kits on to check it out. Gives it good added performance, and of course I have that on my own scooter. I want all the performance I can get. And the last feature, it has the original Vespa sport seat, which is intended to be a single saddle with kind of a fastback sport look to it. We have those available as well on scooterwest.com. So originally this was going to be a video about this scooter, and that is going to become up for sale. Unfortunately, it was sold before I could even shoot the video. It's going to have a proud new owner tomorrow. But don't feel left out. You can always look at our website, vespamotorsport.com, to see our new and used inventory. There's plenty of good used examples that are coming and going all the time. We may be out of scooters at this moment, but we have plenty of very clean, new and used Vespas coming up for sale shortly, as frequently we get really nice trade-ins here at Vespa Motorsport, and we'll clean them up where they are in like new condition at a fraction of the price. If you're interested in new or used scooters, of course, give our sales department a call, 619-280-1718, and just dial extension 604 and you can get a hold of the sales guys and they can give you more details. This is Robot from Vespa Motorsport and scooterwest.com. Thanks again for supporting our channel. If you've coming across this channel for the first time on YouTube, hit the little subscribe button and also the notification bell. Every week I have new videos, almost always about Vespas and just scooters in general. And I plan on doing more cool ride videos, stuff I like to do, but usually just don't have the time to do. Thanks again for all the support. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.